Mr. Antonucci here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the equation of the least squares regression line using Desmos. So here we have a table of values for different candies and their amounts of sugar and calories. First thing we want to do is enter this data in a table. So we'll simply type in the word table, and Desmos brings up a table. In column X1, we're going to put the sugar, and in Y1, we're going to put calories. Okay, once you have the information set in your table, you simply click this little button that says Add Regression. And if you scroll down, it's right here. And here is the equation for your least squares regression line. You can change the type of regression, but we're just going to stick to linear for this video. If you click this little export button, it's going to export the function to your list here and graph it. If you hit the magnifying glass here, it's going to recalibrate the viewing windows so that you can see the scatter plot as well as the line of fit. One other tip that you can do is if you're going to be making predictions, change that y to function notation. I'm just going to use a of x. So if you wanted to predict the amount of calories for another candy bar that had, say, 200 grams of sugar, then you could use our least squares regression line, and the predicted number of calories would be 865. All right, just a quick little video there for you. Hope that was helpful. And make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting more videos for Desmos tutorials.